There are many parasites around us, but the red lungworm is fascinating and scary at the same time because of several reasons. First of all, it's an invasive species. It's part of biological invasions, and it's associated with two types of hosts that are living always close to humans. These are the rats and the mollusks. Parasite originates from Southeast Asia, possibly from China or surrounding regions, and only recently spread around the world in the tropical and subtropical areas. What makes it really important is its neurotropism, which means that in infected hosts, the larvae almost immediately migrate to brain and to the meninges, where they cause neurological disorders. Last but not least, the parasite is able to infect broad range of the host, so it's parasite that is infecting dogs, humans, and several types of wildlife. In dogs, the infection is well known in tropical Australia, where it's a cause of eosinophilic meningitis and connected neurological disease, mainly in young dogs. It's not very clear how the dogs become infected, but probably the same way as humans, which means mainly by either intentional or accidental ingestion of mollusks, which are the snails and slugs, the intermediate host. But the carnivores can also get infected through consumption or hunting of reptiles and amphibians that are so-called paratenic hosts. In most of the situations, the infection is probably accidental, which means the dog is eating or swallowing an infected snail or slug together with the food, or the dog can get infected with water which is contaminated by larvae from the round snails. And interestingly, the cats doesn't seem to be sensitive to the infection. And if there is any way how to prevent the infection, it's mainly protecting the dogs from ingestion of the intermediate host, which means protecting the dog food, protecting the water bowls or dishes that the dogs use for drinking from presence and contamination by the mollusks.